The story of a people is the story of their language, of their poetry, of their history, of the spring in their long steps across time. Language, the mirror of any civilization, the river that holds its sacred tales in reverence, the metaphor of its heritage. Urdu's journey through ages is a unique saga of love and life coming a full circle, and the undying love of its many patrons. For Urdu is more than a language. In its full glory, it's a heritage. In its smallest avatar, it's a mood. And as someone wisely said, it's an endearment for a lifetime. The idea of Rekhta was born in the minds of one such devotee of the language, a patron, a connoisseur of the language, and a lover of its mood. Sanjeev Saraf gave himself up to the task of reviving a language that had slowly started slipping away into the oblivion of extinction.
Urdu is such a powerful language. It is a language which connects with everybody, that it was never really gone. It is there, but it needed somebody to nourish it and to deploy technology and modern means of communication to get it back into the public consciousness.
Rekhta has accomplished to digitize thousands of old classical texts and poems, enabling its website to emerge as the single largest repository of the language in the world.
Over 15 million people visit the site every year, of which about 70% are in the age bracket of less than 35 years. So when such large number of youngsters are connecting to Urdu, the future of Urdu is safe, in my view.
तो वो उसे पढ़ना चाहते हैं, समझना चाहते हैं. उर्दू पोइट्री से इंटरेस्ट है उनको, उसकी क्यूरियोसिटी है. गज़ल क्या है भाई, क्या लिखते थे, क्या गालिब मीर क्या नाम है, क्यों है इतने बड़े. ये सारी फैसिलिटी जो है और ये नॉलेज बड़ी आसानी से जो नॉन उर्दू स्पीकिंग लोग हैं और नॉन उर्दू रीडिंग लोग हैं उन तक रेख्ता पहुंचा देता. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि रेख्ता की वजह से उर्दू का दामन दुनिया में बहुत फैलता जा रहा है.
This is something which will last for posterity. This will outlive me, it will outlive everybody in the organization. And there's a sense of pride, of accomplishment, to be part of a movement, to be part of an organization which has become now the world's largest and the most respected repository.
However, it is the celebration of the language in the annual festival of Jasn-e-Rekhta that has made the language the cynosure of all eyes again. A festival that's become a carnival of the art and culture associated with Urdu, attracting over 1 lakh of viewers and numerous artists aspiring to do their bit. Urdu, in Rekhta's steady hands, has moved over from walking nimble steps and has begun taking giant strides again. The vision of a man, the passion of a team, and the love of its millions of patrons has allowed the language to take firm roots in its soil. Years from now, the story of its revival shall be remembered and spoken of, and perhaps recited in the couplet of a nostalgic poet.